Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options right here, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's enter. And here our device is informing us that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on reset settings if you are ready. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter it to confirm. And here we've got also the info that you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.